Oh yes! Hello friends, this is Golden Highway channel. And I'm going hunting to some dangerous place. Maybe it's your blows? I'm getting close. Good signal, my friends. So... Oh. Oh. Nice. Good for the first signal. But I need to come closer to the highway. I've got some interesting stuff here. It looks like a gooseberry bush. It's a good sign. Looks like something round. Oh, it's glowing! Yeah! Oh! It's the Copex, 1924.
Oh.
Well, nice. I need to come even closer. It's a fire break, and the cars are making so much noise. I can barely hear the signal.
Let's go up.
Something round again.
Oh.
Honestly, it's a little scary walking around here. But what if there is gold here? Here is the next good signal, friends. I hope you can listen it.
Hey.
It's a car! Our next find is something interesting.
Uh-huh.
There was definitely a house here before. now there's something interesting. That's a weird thing. Maybe the house was right where the highway is now, but it's a little scary to walk around there. At least I got a good signal here. Wow. I thought it was a coin, but it's a lead seal. Oh, what is it? Oh, wow. Such a weird stuff. Do you know what it is? That's one more seal. It says here, control. It's definitely Imperial seal. Move on to the next point. Maybe this big hole is a sign that there used to be a house here. And now I will check it out. Look, what's lying there? There are strange orange markings on the pine trees. It was very strong signal here. I've dug it out. Oh, whoa, what? What is it? Whoa. What a cool stuff. What is it? Oh, it's beautiful. Amazing. Very good signal, my friends. If it's not a coin. Oh, it's very nice to dig in the woods.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh.
I see something. But it's not a coin. Wow. It's some kind of badge? Yeah. A flag with a star. Wow. It looks old. And it's very interesting, my friends. Yeah. I think there was a foundation here. I think alcoholics lived here. Oh, what a cool ring! And here was small but good signal. Oh, and it's a coin, my friends, yes. It's a copper coin. Oh, it's 1/2 a kopic. Right over here. I've got the next signal. It's another signal. And it's a coin, yeah. 1937. 15 kopics of early USSR. Nice. What we got here? Got it!
Do that. Oh, oh.
Pinpointer is very useful. Oh, it's a big coin. Big. Oh. Now I move on to the next point, to the field. Oh, friends, it's a field of coins. One of my findings. I thought it was aluminum, but it's silver. Yes. Oh, it's a pocket watch cover. Yes. I see the hallmark there. Yeah, it's a silver. Wow, my friends. We got silver. Oh, it's a Polish grosz. Okay, we got 15 coins. Oh, 5 kopics. 1926 USSR. 2 kopics of 1924 early Soviet copper coin. I don't know what kind of cover is it. Still waiting for your opinion, my friends. This flag with the star is pretty rare, so I think it's good find. Let's see of 1916. It's a late Soviet badge, 25 years. It's some kind of riddle, my friends. What is it? I'm still waiting for your opinion too. And this silver cover of pocket watch. We have there hallmarks with a silver probe, Monsieur. I think it's not bad find, isn't? Let's see how much that silver weighs. Oh, about almost 10 grams of silver. Nice! Thanks for watching. You can support me on Patreon if you wish.